Hey everybody, welcome. I'm so excited to have you guys back here again on the Statuesque Events YouTube channel. Today I'm going to hop right into it. I'm answering a question that came from one of you who views this channel, Maria Ponce. Thanks for leaving your question. And your question was, how do you get clients as an event planner, right? Thanks for leaving your questions. We always encourage questions. So for those of you who are watching, if you have questions, leave them as comments on our video, all right? And we will make future videos to answer your questions, all right? This is how this works, and we're so excited about this. Now, to answer your question, getting clients as an event planner is a combination of things, all right? And again, as you know, we run our accelerator program, Planners Who Profit, and it basically helps event planners to grow their businesses, get more clients, and get higher end clients, right? But getting clients in the first place is a combination of multiple things. Number one is marketing. Right. By the way, marketing is not just Instagram. There are other ways to market your business, and we teach organic marketing methods, right? We don't teach paid marketing, like paying to market your business on a platform or anything like that. We mostly focus on organic marketing because personally, when I stopped paying for marketing and I decided to instead invest in learning how to do organic marketing, that's when my business took off. That's when I got all the press features, all of that, right? So marketing is crucial, and Instagram is a part of that, but it's not everything when it comes to marketing. Marketing is all about getting people interested in buying what you sell. All right. There's a difference, so that's the first step, getting people aware, and of course, making sure that people can find you on the internet, right? So if people are searching for you on Google, can they find you? If people are on Instagram and they're looking up event planners, can they find you, right? So marketing is a big part of it. The second piece of marketing is making sure that you are attracting the right kind of person. If people search for you on the internet, search for you on Instagram, and all they're seeing is plastic tablecloths from the Dollar Tree, cupcake towers that look like you assembled them yourself, and all kinds of things that look really inexpensive, where it looks like the entire event was produced for like $5,000. You can't expect this person to trust you with their 40, 50, 60, $100,000 budget. Right. So marketing is a combination of putting out things that you want more of, and also making sure you're findable and using a combination of organic platforms. Right. Again, we talk a lot more about that. Links are in the description. I would recommend as a starting point to go through the Planners vault of trainings that we have. We have a free vault of free trainings that we want you to go through. So all that's linked in the description. I would like for you to start there, and it gives you like some tips there. Right now, number two is sales, right? Because like I said, marketing is all about getting people interested in buying what you sell. But marketing by itself doesn't close sales. So you need to have a strong sales process, right? A strong way of connecting with people, having people to see you as the best option for them. It's not about being better than everyone else. It's about being the best option for them, right? And so we teach, one of the biggest things we teach in our programs is how to have a strong sales process, right? So, sales is what happens once people are interested, once people reach out to you, once they fill out your contact form, they email you, etc. What do you do after that? That's when your sales process begins. All right. So you need a strong sales process so that they go from interested to buying, because just because someone's interested doesn't mean they're going to buy. Most people, and especially I say once you get more into your ideal clients, the ones that you really, really want, they have options. They're comparing other people. I planned a wedding for one of my very best friends. I actually ended up being a bridesmaid in her wedding, right? She's one of my very best friends. And she still compared me with competition before she chose to hire me. And I encouraged her to, because I'm good at what I do. So I wasn't nervous, but also like that's what people do when they're spending a lot of money. They compare and they look for the best option for them. And I wanted her to only hire me if she felt like I was the best option for her. So she did her research. She looked at other places. She went through their sales process, marketing processes, and came back and was like, yeah, you're the best for me. And we proceeded with her wedding, right? It was beautiful. It's going to be on a digital magazine soon. It was beautiful, started, ended on time, all that good stuff, right? And that's what a strong sales process does for you. Just because someone's interested doesn't mean they're going to buy. A lot of times that's a big mistake we make. Oh, someone emailed me or they filled out my contact form, that means they're my client. No, it doesn't. You still have to sell them, and you still have to get them to be interested. So you need a strong sales process as well. The last thing that you need is strong systems to make sure that you do well on the wedding, right? And then you need to build assets from that event. One thing that I learned from my father a long time ago, even though he's not in the wedding industry, he's a financial advisor and an accountant. He was like, weddings are self-marketing. The best way to get high-end clients, a high-end client is not going to trust you if you've never done an event. If you don't have any pictures of past events, you don't have any pictures of events that look like what they want, right, on your website, on your social media, etc. So the more you can get clients, the more you can get more clients. People like to work with people that are busy because being busy gives the social proof that you're good at what you do. That's why in all of our programs, even our elementary program, PWP Foundations, which is designed to help you get your very first paid client, even if you don't have a portfolio, right? Even in that elementary program, our focus is getting you your first client. Because in order for you to build this business that you're dreaming of, you got to get clients. You have to work on real events because that's the thing that's going to prove to people that you know what you're doing, right? And you need strong systems to do well so that you have all the social proof afterwards to show that you're good at what you do. So again, you need the marketing, you need the sales systems, and then you also need strong systems and strong delivery so that at the end people can really vouch for you and be like, yo, he was good or she was good, right? And then that's what's going to get you to continue to propel you to the next level client and next level and next level. Like I said, we have an elementary program. If you've never planned an event, PWP Foundations, we have our Planners Who Profit Accelerator program, which is to help you to get your next level client. And we even have the Planners Who Profit Mastermind coming out very soon for people who want to get more into corporate events. If you're trying to plan $10,000 plus events, like basically where you're selling packages of that or higher, you want to build a team of associate planners or lead planners under you who can do events without you. All that is for PWP Masters, right? So we have different layers, and the best way to learn more about all these is just to apply. Once you apply, we'll tell you what the best fit is for your next big step, and we'll get you set up, all right? So I hope this has been helpful for you. Thanks so much for asking this question again. I want to shout out Maria Pons. I hope I hope I'm saying your name right, but I want to shout you out just for asking a question. We love getting questions. So if you've watched this and this was interesting, if you have a follow-up question, leave it as a comment in this video. Also make sure you like and subscribe, but leave your questions as comments and we'll use that to make more content, right? Because that's what we're here for. And we want to elevate the event planning industry. We want to help you move forward with your business. All right. So I hope this has been helpful and we can't wait to see you again in the very next video. Again, make sure you subscribe so you see that next video, and we'll catch you then. All right. Cheers and enjoy the rest of your day.